Hey there, so I wanted to go into bridging and filling hole in this video. Those are two tools that are they're a little bit related because you can kind of patch up kind of gaps that we create in our meshes here. So if I delete these faces, boom, you'd be like, oh man, I didn't want that. If this problem arose during the modeling process, then you'd have to somehow patch that over, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first one I'm going to show is bridge. And you can find that in your modeling toolkit. And the way bridge works is that you select one edge, it only works with edges, and another edge, and you bridge between them. Now, the one caveat is that you have to have the same amount of edges selected on both sides. So notice here how I selected 4 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I only select 1, 2, 3 over here, it gives you an error. Equal number of border edges on source and target position. So if I instead click 3 here, click 3 here, and I'm just doing shift left click on those while in edge mode, and I bridge, boom, there we go. We got some nice faces just spanning that gap. And I can do the same here with shapes that are a little bit more complicated. Like this one wraps around and it's 2 edge loops, so I can just double click that edge loop and shift double click this edge loop and bridge. Now if you have an unusual shaped gap in the mesh somewhere, let's spice it up a little bit too with this. It's going to be hard to bridge this, right? So instead, we will use a tool called fill hole. It's not anywhere in here. It's not. Instead, it's up here. Mesh, fill hole. Boom, right there. So now it's filled, right? But as you can see, it doesn't have the nice. It's not conforming to the nice topology we had on here before. We used to have edge loops that would go all the way around and wind back to each other. But now that is just not happening there. So what we need to do after you fill a hole like this is to multi-cut to fix up that topology real nicely. So here you go. Boom, boom, bang. And it's fixed. So that is mesh, fill hole, and bridge. Thanks for watching.